What is happening, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to take this old tired concrete surface and make it look like fresh brand new concrete with a resurfacing product called NewCrete by Set. This project is going to be super fast and super easy. So let's make something cool, or let's do something cool. Now, while I'm gathering my tools, I just wanted to take this time to let you guys know that this video is proudly sponsored by Set Cement. That's right, Set Cement noticed our little channel. They saw what we did with the first video, they called me up, and they basically said, what do you need? And Set was gracious enough to send us Michigan service representative Jordon. Jordon, thanks for coming out today, man.
Hey Mike, real big fan of your channel. Thanks for including me.
Jordon's going to be joining us for technical support, as well as brought us some material to get the job done. NewCrete is a polymer modified resurfacer that's designed to make old, tired, worn, spalled concrete look like fresh, brand new concrete. Maybe we can talk Jordon into doing the whole job for us, right? Hey Jordon, do you think that we could take the Set truck out for a spin?
No.
By the way, links down below for all the products and tools that we're using today. Just like anything else, prep is key. We want the surface to be clean, free of loose debris, free of any paint, and free of any oils or greases. So we'll start by stripping any paint that's present with a product designed for stripping paint from concrete. Then we want to clean the surface really well with a concrete cleaner degreaser and any excuse to get a power washer out. Now we want to make sure that we patch any cracks or voids with Cementol before we begin placing the product. We also want to mask off the expansion joints temporarily to prevent product from getting in there. We want to stay true to the expansion joint. You're also going to want to mask off anything that you don't want NewCrete on. By the way, this Squeegee and this mason brush are going to be your two best friends with this project. These guys are key. Let's begin mixing our NewCrete by adding 2.5 quarts of water to our bucket. Add the whole bag of NewCrete to the water. You're looking for a pancake batter consistency here. Simply place the mixture on damp concrete. I like to place it in a way that it's perpendicular to the direction that I'm going to be pulling the product. So really, it's kind of a push-pull technique. Just keep pushing the material around and then pulling it back towards you until you get a nice thin layer. Common misconception with this kind of product is that the thicker the better. It is not. You're only looking for about a 1/16 to an 1/8 of an inch thickness here. Keep working the material over the substrate until you get a nice, thin, consistent layer. Before I get too far out of my reach, I want to drag a mason broom across the material while it's still wet. This will get rid of any inconsistencies and any marks you may have made with your squeegee. If your project requires it, mix up more material in a timely manner to keep a wet edge. And just repeat the process. Dragging the broom across a material will not only get rid of inconsistencies, it will also provide you with a nice anti-skid surface. You could also make a nice decorative pattern at this point. Alright, now a great hot tip for when working with large projects is to break the job up a little bit. In this project, we're going to break it up into slabs. Now that we're done with this slab, we can go ahead and regroup. We can take a break if we want to, or we can clean up our tools in case they're getting a little crusty. Or I could take the rabbit set truck out for a little spin.
No.
I found it very helpful to have an extra hand. Having somebody to mix the material and have it ready to go just before I needed it was very helpful. Also, having somebody pull the broom behind me while I spread the material was very helpful. And before we knew it, we were done. So that's it, guys. After a couple hours, we're able to drive on this stuff. And it didn't require any kind of bonding primer. Just think about what else you could get done. So remember, guys, like, subscribe. I promise you won't regret it. And I'll see you guys in the next video.
Hey, where are my keys? Hey!
He's gonna be so mad when he finds out how far I pulled the seat up. Maybe not as close to me. I'm okay. No idea I'm recording. Say you're ready, Jordon?
Yeah. I think so. Yeah.
Oh, you okay? You have a bucket stuck to your butt.
I see that. I'm glad you were there for that.
I'm just sorry that the camera wasn't facing the other way to see you trip over that bucket.
No, I just sat down and fell back.